now, introducing our second team to represent Philippines in MSC 2024, Falcons AP Brand. Congratulations!
Marco, asan yung MVP? Super Marco. Marco, congratulations. Naririnig mo ang sigaw ng inyong mga supporters. It's back to MSC para sa inyo. How does it feel na after being in the upper bracket, now lower bracket, and you got the final spot in just in time? Kamusta yung pakiramdam na nakuha niyo yung MSC?
Sobrang saya kasi tuloy-tuloy yung namin, yung world tour namin.
Ang dami mong achievements How about yung award mo kanina? Nagulat ka ba? Anong pakiramdam doon kanina?
Ginawa ko pong motivation yung award ko kanina para sa match namin ngayon.
And how do you feel? Ikaw naman, Coach Ducky. Another international journey for you. I mean, coming in here, were you feeling a little bit nervous?
Honestly, hindi. I'm more worried about what to feel kung ano man yung magiging ending ng araw. Kasi either we win or we lose. I'm really still proud of my boys. This has been the hardest MPL so far.
Oh yeah?
Honestly,
What made it really hard?
The competition is really high. I think the standards just went up by a notch.
Okay, speaking of going up a notch, I hear that you're gonna go up a notch with your Muay Thai coach.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so
Saw
ano
the
ba?
story.
Makikita na ba natin na magsasparring ka? Ano
Coach,
mangyayari doon, Coach?
Si Coach Chilo, nanonood ka man, go easy on me.
Go easy on. Parang Layla yun Paano yung fighting form ba sa Muay Thai?
Hindi ako marunong talaga.
Ay, hindi
Joke
ka
lang
marunong.
yun.
Naniwala kami. Kala ko fighter ka talaga, Coach.
I want to give special shoutouts pala dun sa coach ko. I think he's watching. Kung nasan ka man, Coach Chilo. Panalo kami, MSC.
Isi-save natin yan sa Riyadh in the land of dawn.
I cannot wait to see the stories. And you talked about fighting spirit as well. We're also gonna talk first with Few. Okay, Few. This time around, ang dami mo nang sinalihan na international tournaments. You've been part of so many. Anong pinagkaiba ng MSC na to para sa'yo?
Feeling ko sobrang laki ng pinagkaiba niya eh. Ang pinagkaiba talaga yung prize pool eh. Kaya sobrang laki talaga ng pinagkaiba.
Parang ang laki din ng ngiti mo eh. How does it feel every time you represent the Philippines? Does it ever change? May nagbabago ba o mas lalo ka lang na-excite to represent the country knowing na you're gonna do it again now?
Ayun, sobrang nakaka-excite tsaka sobrang saya na laging i-representa yung Pilipinas. Kasi alam namin na na buong Pilipinas nakasuporta sa amin.
Oo nga, ang dami mong achievements papunta sa wedding mo with IC. At ito na para kay Ogwen. Ogwen, what makes this MSC tour more meaningful than anything that you've ever done before?
Sobrang meaningful po ng MSC ngayon kasi may upcoming baby po ako. Pangalan niya po si Matilda Chip Inigo.
Ano ulit?
Pero Matilda Chip. Ano pa lang.
Pag pumayag.
Pag pumayag.
Pag-vote tayo, mag-poll tayo ng vote. Papayag ba? Papayag. Ayan.
Yan, dedicate ko po sa incoming baby boy.
Congratulations. Congratulations, and we're so happy that you're achieving your personal goals with your achievement here in MLBB.
Hindi ko na ilalayo kasi nandito rin naman si Flap TZ. Flap, you're gonna go up in a rematch against Liquid Echo. Personally, ano sa tingin mo yung posibleng mangyayari dun sa matchup na yun? And how are you feeling as a team going into the grand finals?
Nung after namin matalo kahapon, parang boy yung mga teammates ko, pati ako. Tapos, ayun, gusto na namin maglaro kahit ngayon na. Sa ko.
Kahit ngayon na daw, hindi na daw magpapahinga. But we'll see them tomorrow, I guess.
Ngayon na din natin i-announce ang ating MVP, Super Marco! Super Marco, O, imbitahan naman natin lahat ng mga fans na supportahan kayo para bukas.
Shoutout sa mga pumunta na fans dito, yung mga nag-effort pumunta rito, tsaka bukas balik kayo, nood kayo ng championship.
And I also think Coach Ducky has something to say and give appreciation to as well.
First of all, I would like to show my appreciation sa lahat ng fans who showed up. Kayo ang bida dito, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. I know yung iba dyan galing pa sa malayo. We really appreciate you guys showing up. And I want to give special shout-outs as well to our counterparts in Saudi Arabia. You guys are instrumental with this success as well. And special shout-outs din kay Jeff. Pangarap talaga kasi namin mag-MSC. Kay Boss AJ na umuwi pa galing Japan. Just to watch the game. So, yun, maraming salamat. And we really appreciate you guys showing up today. Maraming salamat.
All your hard work has paid off. Your dream is coming true. You are the representative for MSC 2024. You may now take your bow and take your walk of victory. Congratulations, Falcons AP Brand. Isa na namang malakas na